Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now by exposing the crown and understanding your movement. You must know whether the crown is screw down. If so, unscrew it counterclockwise until it pops free. Once done, gently pull the crown to the first click. That position often sets the date on many watches. If there's no date, the first click is typically the time-setting position. However, keep tension light to avoid damaging the stem. Make sure your hands are steady and well-lit before continuing. Pull the crown to the second click to enter the time-setting mode and hold the watch steady. Rotate the crown smoothly. Use short, decisive turns rather than rapid jerks so the gears engage cleanly. Make sure you pass 12 to establish AM versus PM if your watch has a date, because the date changes at midnight. Once the hour and minute hands read precisely where you want them, stop turning and hold the crown gently while you prepare to secure the setting. Push the crown fully back to engage the movement, and if your watch has a screw-down crown, turn it clockwise to seal it and restore water resistance. Once done, check synchronization against a reliable time source and observe for a minute to confirm proper ticking. If the seconds hand stalls or skips, repeat setting with lighter pressure or partially push crown in to re-engage the mechanism. If the watch still drifts, it may need a service. Contact a technician or authorized service center.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.